who will come back again next year. And please...
I was working in Koyua Central as deputy principal, and I was operated in Denweg Hospital. Then I got a stroke in my left hand and left leg. I became paralyzed. Thank you for the Mutai Foundation for having assisted me with a wheelchair.
According to my statistics as foundation, teachers are being neglected. They are seen as if the people who are able even to source for these devices. They are not being taken care of like the others. So they are neglected in the society.
Mia being one of the partners of Mutai Foundation, whom we have worked together in identification of teachers who are able differently. And I'm very happy that as at now we are having clear statistics. We have also identified the issues and the challenges that they are going through. Majorly even on the senior school teachers and the junior school teachers who are able differently.
We are calling about Teacher Service Commission to provide these devices to teachers because there are not many. Others are very short. Even the blackboard or the whiteboard, they have to stand on a table. So the school environment also should be conducive for these people. Should be conducive for them.